Impact of throughput time reduction. We have already covered the concept of throughput time. Terminologies also we have explained. So now, today, the first part to start with is impact of throughput time reduction. And after throughput time reduction, we have lined up value stream mapping. So as I told you earlier, that throughput time reduction related studies and the value stream mapping, they are interrelated. So when you are taking up a value stream mapping, it will be always better that you understand the terminologies related to throughput time study. And if you have taken up throughput time reduction related study in your works or in your company, already I would say that you have gone at least 50 to 60% ahead in terms of value stream mapping exercise. So they are interrelated. So this topic will in a way support you for conducting the value stream mapping exercise. So what is impact of throughput time reduction? The concept of throughput, which we have already explained in the last lecture. So the definition, as you know, that it is the time that takes to convert the raw material into finished goods. So that means all those time, including the queuing time, including the processing time, and if there is any delay in between, everything is included in the throughput time. Okay. And question is, when is that product going to be ready to ship? So this is the question which is there uppermost in the mind of the customer. And this is a question which is also uppermost in the mind of the manufacturer. So apart from processing time, there are other time, as I told you, that when one manufacturer receives the order, there is a preparatory time, which actually takes in order to get ready to start the production. And after the production is over, then also there is a time, preparatory time for making it to be ready for shipping. That means if there is any packaging to be done, if there is any other brochure, etc., labels, etc., which are required to be put as a part of the packaging checklist, then the transportation has to be arranged, etc. Then it is ready to be shipped and it is shipped. So that is the end of throughput time. So what all improves when the throughput time improves? So number one is quality. So question asks that how come quality is improved with the throughput time related improvement? The reason being that quality deteriorates with inventory accumulating. The quality deteriorates with the delays. So quality is always considered as the best quality when it is produced right the first time. That means your design is ready, your design is not only design is ready, the design is okay, good enough, addressing the customer's requirement, both explicit and as well as the implicit needs. Your equipment is ready, the equipment capability is very much there, machine's capability is very much there, and your process is standardized. All those things will automatically improve and boost the quality level. Second is, of course, the on-time delivery. Because if the delays are not there, if the standardization is there, and if the throughput time is reduced, then we can say that it is repeatable. And repeatability brings consistency in quality and also consistency in terms of timeliness in delivery. And of course, it has a very direct impact on the morale of the employees, because this particular confidence it gets built up with the process being robust. And if this confidence goes away due to unforeseen problems suddenly cropping up, then this confidence has a direct relationship with morale, and it goes down. And then last but not the least, apart from, of course, there are other factors also which gets improved, is overburden or the stress accumulated on the minds of those who are involved in the manufacturing and delivery. And what all really slips, becomes bad? One is cost. Definitely all those wasteful activities that lead to extra costing. Then quality, if it deteriorates, it has the direct relationship with the defects going up. And the inventory, as I told you, that inventory has all bad effects really on quality, costing, delivery. And here also the same thing, that inventory goes up in case throughput time increases. Waste, of course, is increases. So decreased throughput time is our final objective. How the throughput time can be reduced? That is a question that will be asked by everybody. So primary point is that, as we saw in the first lecture itself, that activities could be split into two types: value-added activities and non-value-added activities. If you remember that when I showed you a slide, I depicted the green part as value-added and red part as the non-value-added. So that red part of the activities or non-value-added activities can really be diagnosed, identified, and efforts can be taken to eliminate or reduce that non-value-added activity. Value-added activity can be addressed definitely through technological means and through in-depth analysis. But it is much easier to really get rid of the NVA. And I would say that NVA are those activities which can be compared with ripe fruits which grow at the end, which are within the reach of the hands, which are easy to be plucked actually. So we always suggest that कि non value added activity को पहले आप address कीजिए.